Hello everyone, welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw a cute colorful fish. At first I draw its body. It has a big tail.
Lives a fish, and her name is Lou. She swims around from side to side with her fins spread out so wide. Swim, swim, little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound.
I love drawing and
They
painting.
play together, one and all. They dive down low and jump up high, splashing water to the sky.
Look, how cute is the fish?
Little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound. There's a turtle named Tim who loves to play. He and Lou swim every day. Through the lily pads they weave and twirl. Tim's shell shines like a pearl. Swim, swim, little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound. There's a frog named Fred who leaps so high. He and Lou watch dragonflies. They catch the bugs in midair flight. What
Red.
a funny, joyful sight. Swim,
Blue.
swim, little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound. When the sun begins to set, Lou finds places she won't forget. Under rocks and near the reeds, she rests a while, takes
Red.
what she needs. Swim, swim, little fish, in the
Orange.
water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and
Pink.
round, in your pond you're safe and sound. At night the moon shines in the sky. Lou and friends say their goodbyes. They find a cozy place to sleep in the pond so calm and deep. Swim, swim, little fish, in the water
Green.
make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound. So if you see a fish named Lou, give a wave and say hello. In her pond she'll swim all day, happy in her fishy way.
Yellow. Purple. Red. Green.
Swim, swim, little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound.
Pink.
So if you see a fish named Lou, give a wave and say hello. In her pond she'll swim all day, happy in her fishy way.
Blue. Yellow.
In
Blue.
the pond so deep and
Orange.
blue lives a fish, and her name is Lou. She
Blue.
swims around from side to side with her fins spread out so wide. Swim,
Mint
swim,
green.
little fish, in the water make a wish. Swim, swim, round and round, in your pond you're safe and sound. Lou has friends both big and small. They play together,
Light
one and
orange.
all. They dive down low and jump up high, splashing water to the
Thanks
sky.
for watching.